Our manufacturing plants and expertise are deployed to a broad array of applications and end markets. We have a strong presence in orthopedics where we manufacture both surgical instruments and implants. We're also supporting most every part of the orthopedics market, meaning procedure types. So we have heavy content in large joint replacements, so knees and hips. We also participate very heavily in the spine market, but we also have customers and produce products that are used in the trauma and extremities, so foot, ankle, shoulder, wrist kinds of products.